In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an email link to an Excel workbook. To begin, open your Excel workbook and click the cell where you want the email link to appear. This is the cell people will use to access the link. So choose a location that makes sense for your worksheet and is easy for viewers to find. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the Excel ribbon. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding objects and interactive elements to your worksheet. Once you are on the Insert tab, look toward the right side for the Links group. In that section, click the link icon. It usually looks like a small globe with a chain, and it opens the window where you can create different types of links. When the pop-up window appears, look to the left side for the Link To section. This area lets you choose what kind of link you want to create. At the bottom of that sidebar, click Email Address. That tells Excel you want this cell to open an email message instead of linking to a website or another file. Now click inside the Text to Display box near the top. This is the text that will show inside the cell, so type whatever you want your viewer to see. For example, you might use something simple and clear, like Contact Us or Send Email. Try to make the wording obvious so people immediately understand what the link does. After that, click inside the email address box. Type Mail To, followed immediately by the email address. This format tells Excel to open the user's default email application when the link is selected. Be careful to enter it exactly, with no spaces between Mail To and the address. Then click inside the subject box and type the default subject line you want to include. This can save time for the person using the link and helps keep incoming messages organized. Once everything looks correct, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the window. Excel will place the email link into the selected cell using the display text you entered. Finally, hover your mouse over the cell to verify that the link is active. This is a quick way to confirm that Excel recognizes it as a working email link before you share the workbook with anyone else. That covers everything you need to know.